Good evening, brothers and sisters. The earth is flat. The concave people who believe in a concave earth will have you believe that the earth is curving upwards. Now, they have a problem. The problem they have is that for the earth to be curving upwards means that these mountains, as you can see right here, are way behind in the distance from these mountain ranges here. These mountain ranges in the distance on a so-called concave earth should be higher. This is the true horizon all the way back here. But if you are only seeing the image from here down, only from here, you would think the horizon is the above these mountains. These mountains should be higher. It's why people who believe in a concave earth stay away from images like this, plains, deserts, because this discredits that foolishness right away. How come you can see the clouds below these mountain ranges, but then you can see mountain ranges beyond in the distance that are lower? Impossible. The earth is a flat plane. The earth is a plane. I don't even like to use the word flat anymore. I have to get myself out of that, but it's a plane. You can see it right here. The earth is a plane. Here we have another image proving that the earth is flat. Just look at the mountain ranges. Look how the clouds dip below these mountain ranges. These mountain ranges from here where this image is taken, these mountain ranges have to be about 200-300 miles away. The earth is a flat plane. Now these mountain ranges all the way out here should be up here. Because if you could still see the sky here, then you should still be able to see above this level what is on the ground, and you can't. These mountain ranges are much lower than they should be if the earth were concave. As you can see, this is a straight, flat line. You see in a pyramid. Line here, line here. The earth is a flat plane. Don't fall into this concave earth crap foolishness that is just based on satanic alchemy. Look it up. 2 triangles within a circle. Look it up. It's all alchemy of Satan. Here we have image number 3. Another image that completely disproves a concave earth. Look at the mountain ranges. If you can see here, you see some small mountain ranges here which are lower than these mountain ranges, and that's an impossibility on a concave earth. These mountain ranges should be up here. They should be up here. These mountain ranges here should be up here in this area. All this here behind should be above these mountain ranges. And this again could be anywhere from, judging by how this image looks, this could be close to 100 miles away. Once again, the earth is a flat plane. This is a gorgeous image. Completely proving the earth is flat. A flat plane. Look at the mountain ranges. Earth is not concave. The earth is a plane underneath a dome. The clouds are straight lines. Look at the clouds. They're straight lines. Straight lines. Another absolutely gorgeous image. The earth is a flat plane once again. This mountain range here, this top. Look at the clouds. These clouds are beyond this mountain range here, which is probably about, could be 300 miles away. And you see it flat on a flat plane. Yes, there's elevation changes, but the earth is a plane. Look at these mountain ranges. Look at the clouds here. Look at that. Look at the clouds here, way beyond. These clouds here are way beyond these mountains. These clouds here are hundreds of miles away, hundreds. But yet you can't see any. You should then see the earth up here. You should see land up here. If you can see these clouds, then you should be able to see the land underneath this on a concave earth up here. Crap. The concave earth theory is crap. Crap. The earth is flat. Don't fall into this lying deception that's basically based on people who believed in the round earth, realized that it was a lie, and now we're going to feed you this hollow earth crap. Here's another image that just shatters the concave earth theory. Look at these mountain ranges here. And look here. This is the horizon. Why isn't it up here? Why isn't it above this mountain range? Why isn't the horizon above this mountain range? Because the earth is flat. That's why. Look at this. Flat. And way beyond these mountain ranges here. Once again, another impossibility on a concave earth. Another very nice image. Flat earth. Mountain ranges possibly upwards of 100 miles away from this vantage point. But yet you can see way beyond this mountain range, which is maybe 100 miles away, and this horizon point here, which is the true horizon point in this image, is here. This should be higher on a concave earth. It should be up here. If you can see it here and it's lower than this, it should be up here on a concave earth. Concave earth is absolutely just a lying theory based on the binocular effect. Another image. Earth is flat, a flat plane. You can see for miles and miles. Here you can see mountain ranges very, very, very hundreds of miles out in the distance. Hundreds of miles. In a straight line lower than these mountains, which I believe is Ararat, this mountain. But these mountain ranges way beyond they should be much higher on a concave earth. It's because earth isn't concave. Don't buy into this alchemy crap. Please. Does this look concave to you? The earth is flat. Once again, look at this. Hundreds of miles in the distance. Look at the mountain ranges. Yeah, sure, the earth is concave. Another flat earth image. Mountain range very low in the horizon. The mountain range beyond this one is lower. Lower. Concave earth crap. Earth is flat. Once again, hundreds of miles away, these mountain ranges should be again higher, and you should see the tops of this mountain range here. These mountain range should be above this one on a concave earth. This should be higher. Earth is a flat plane. Wake up. Don't buy the lies. The earth is just a flat plane. And I hope the people of the world just get used to the fact that it is what it is. The earth is a flat plane. The flat plane. You can see in areas like this are so beautiful because this proves so much. The earth is flat and it cannot be denied. Period. We don't live inside some ball with water above our head, where oceans can sit on the ceiling. You know, concave earth people believe that you can place water on a ceiling above your head and it holds up, but yet they cannot, as I said earlier, prove one demonstration where they show curved water, because water is flat on its surface. And with that being said, peace and blessings to all.